everyone. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate about appointment booking application. So firstly, there will be three interfaces. First one will be the customer application. Second one will be the expert application. Third one will be the admin panel. This is the customer application from where a customer can consult as well as book for the classes. As in, you can see there are multiple expert lists given under that. You can consult to a doctor, yoga consultant, Zumba, dental, electrician. Multiple options are there with whom you can book a classes or can have consultation with them. There are multiple articles and blogs given by the experts, so you can view their work and book their appointment as well as per your requirements. For example, you will select a particular consultant, as in you wanted to avail a service for bone and joint. Then you will click on doctor and then the specification you wanted under that doctor, and there are multiple options given that under that. You will book an appointment or with a consultant as per your requirement. And this is the appointment list. Once you will get attached with the expert or consultant, then that will reflect here. Also, you can chat with your customer. Expert can chat with the customer, and customer can also chat with the expert as well. And this is the profile section from where you can check your accounting details. Also, you can edit these details. You can change the password. You can check the history or appointments as well. There are you can also invite people. You can check the privacy policy. You can check the term and condition. Also, you can log out from the application as you want. So this will be the expert application from where they can add a post for article, for blog. You can view all of these with the help of this section. All this work will reflect here. Other than this, an expert can view the wallet amount, revenue as well. The revenue they have generated with the help of video call, the actual visit, phone call. Multiple buckets are given there. They can check revenue as per the list or as per the service they have provided to their customers. Another section we have is the profile section, from where an expert can check the accounting settings. They can manage the availability, documents. They can add the documents from there. They can update the category. They can update the email ID, phone number, date of birth. All of these things will reflect here, so that it will be easy for the customer to know that enable this service, so that the customer can easily check the service and avail for the service for same. So they can not connect to the video call or a personal visit. So they will connect through the phone call only. So after all this, we have the admin section. So this is the admin dashboard. First, admin dashboard will give you the bird eye view of all these terms, as in you can check the user, total user. You can check total consultant who are connected with your platform. You can check the request. Also, you can check the revenue you have generated from this platform. You can check the sale analytics. with the help of dates also, as in you have generated this amount on this date, and this much amount from this particular date. You can filter the data from weekly or monthly as well. So it will be easy for you to check all the sales analytics, all the revenue, all the things you have generated from your platform. So this is basically the list of consultant you have added recently in your platform. All of these things will reflect here. You can check the revenue history from here as well. After that, we have the configuration section. In this, you can add the service type, as in the particular expert is providing a video call service for Zoom, video call, audio call, chat, or testing services. All of these personal visit, all of these things will reflect here. If you wanted to add another service category, so you can add from this section. Just name the service, availability under that, service type you are providing to your customer, description, and the color picker. All of things will be done with the help of this section. Then click on create, so that the same change will reflect on customer as well as the expert application. So it will be easy for them to avail these services. Another we have is the category, as in there are multiple categories your services you are providing to your customer under the platform, as in Zumba classes, astrology, tailor, lawyer. All of these things will reflect here. If you wanted to add another category, so that customer can avail service under that, you can add the main category from this section. You just need to click on that add category and fill all these basic details. Name the category, enable the service, show on front end. All of these things will reflect here. You can even add an image for that, so that it will be easy for customer to gain the idea out of that. After that, click on create, so that this changes will remain same. Another we have is the user custom field, listing. All of these user data will reflect here. Another section we have is the user section. User section will reflect all the data related to your users, as in this customers who are availing this service with your platform. You can check their name, you can check the service they are having with your platform, you can edit the details from them. So this is the basically list of all your users. You can check their email ID, their phone number, total requests they have generated till now. You can delete the account of the particular person. You can edit some details from them, as in their email address, their name, their phone number. These minor changes are to be done with the help of this section. As well as the consultant have the same list. Consultant will have the same data as per the users. You can view their activities, you can check their email address, you can delete them from the your platform if they are not performing well. You can check the actions from taken by them. You can even filter out data of some particular person or consultant or an expert if you wanted to. Just pick a date, pick a month or year. All of these details will reflect here if you want a specific notification out of that. Another section we have is marketing. For marketing is you can add banner in your platform. Banner are basically a useful tool for customers' perspective as well as experts' perspective. So once the customer will click on the banner section, they will redirect to the particular experts who are availing that services. You can charge for adding the banners. You can charge some commission amount from the experts who are availing the service of banners. So banners are basically helpful in gaining the attention of customer. Another section you can provide is the package. You can provide multiple package under the same price to your customer, so that it will be easy for the customer to retain the service, that they are gaining multiple services or multiple categories under this particular amount. You can provide coupon to your customer, maximum, minimum, redeemable amount, discount, coupon name. You can also add a coupon, and with the adding all these basic detail in your platform. Moving further, we have is the setting section. In setting section, you can change related to your pages. You can change app settings, as in your logo, background color. All of these changes will take place from here. Variables, as in audio, classes or slots, vendor, video, currency, insurance. All of these things will reflect here. You can edit and all these action from the help of this section. You can add FAQs, you can add app version with the help of this section. Now let's talk about the payout sections. In payout section, you get all the detail of transaction you have made with your platform till now, the amount you have received, the amount that got rejected. All of these things will reflect here. All of those transactions will reflect here. The amount that customer has paid and the commission you have received from the experts. All of these things, all of these basic detail will reflect here. You can send a payout request to the particular experts. You can check all these basic detail from this section, so it will be easy for you to understand all the basic detail with the help of this section. Nothing will be remain closed or something which is not touchable. So you can easily get all the basic detail with the help of this section, as in you can connect with your users, you can connect with your consultant, expert, your users. You can use the marketing tools. All of these things you can check, even the services type, the category. All of these things are covered under this platform. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. Thank you.